Hi everyone, I want to do a review today of this insulated thermos for coffee. The brand had sent this to me and I absolutely love this product. First of all, it comes in so many different colors, which is great. I have this pretty green color and I absolutely love it. I love the strap that it comes with it. Super durable, super strong strap. I like how it's very easy to use on the go. You could just attach it, put it on your wrist and walk around. I absolutely love the ceramic coating on it. I love that it's reusable. You could use this coffee bag so many times. It actually comes with a straw on the inside, which is great. I like how there's a spout there that's a wider mouth and then there's a more narrow one as well. The wide mouth is great for coffee. The narrow one actually comes with a straw. And as you can see, I'm going to be inserting the straw into the little narrow. It's great for a travel mug. My husband uses it almost every day for work. As you can see, I wanted to show you how leak-proof this is. So once I screwed it in, I'm going to flip it over and just show you how leak-proof this is. Absolutely great product, especially for on the go. Recommend 10 out of 10.